Tiramisu is by far one of my favorite desserts, but something about making it at home always seemed too daunting, until now. The first step is to brew about 350 milliliters of strong coffee or espresso, then transfer to a bowl to cool completely. Once the coffee is nearly cooled, whisk together 2 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Authentic tiramisu uses raw eggs. If you're concerned about possible bacteria in the eggs, follow our tutorial on how to pasteurize eggs at home. The link is in the description. You want to mix this until the color lightens and it becomes smooth and creamy. An electric mixer would be ideal for this, but it can also be done by hand. Next, add half a 250-gram tub of mascarpone cheese and use a spatula to mix until the cheese is fully incorporated into the egg mixture. Set that aside and repeat with the egg whites. These need to be whipped until stiff peaks form, which can take a while if mixing by hand, so I hope you have strong arms. This time when adding the mascarpone, be very gentle. You want to fold the cheese into the egg so the mixture doesn't lose too much air. By now your coffee should be completely cooled, and when I say completely, I mean completely. If the coffee is hot or warm, it will break down the Savoiardi biscuits when dipped in. Only dip the biscuits for about 2 seconds and no more than 3, then place them sugar side down into a medium-sized glass dish. Ideally yours would be rectangular so 2 rows of full biscuits can fit, but if using a square dish like us, simply cut the biscuits so they fit snugly. Top with the egg yolk cream, then gently spread out evenly with a spatula. Next, dust the top with an even layer of good quality cocoa powder, then you can optionally sprinkle on shaved chocolate of your choosing. I recommend dark chocolate. Add another layer of coffee-soaked biscuits, making sure they fit very snugly, then pour on the egg white cream and again spread it out evenly. Dust the top with more shaved chocolate and cocoa powder, then chill in the fridge for between 12 and 24 hours. I'd recommend 24 hours for the best results. Once it's chilled, you can slice into pieces, or if you're impatient like us, just scoop out a portion and enjoy. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.